Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Clipboard not working in Windows 11, 10. First method is restart Windows Explorer. Second method is run a command. Third method is system file checking. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.